friends! Welcome to our magical math adventure! Are you ready to learn something super cool today? We're going to learn all about the number 6 times table. It's going to be so much fun! Let's get started together! 6 times 1 is 6. One group of 6 little stars, that's 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 groups of 6 shiny gems, that's 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 groups of 6 yummy cookies, that's 18. You're doing an amazing job. Keep up the great work. Let's keep going. 6 times 4 is 24. Imagine 4 groups of 6 colorful balloons. That's 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 groups of 6 bouncing balls, that's 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 groups of 6 happy little frogs, that's 36. Wow, you're a math superstar. We're almost there. Okay, let's finish this. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 groups of 6 sweet candies, that's 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 groups of 6 toy cars, that's 48. 6 times 9 is 54. 9 groups of 6 fluffy clouds, that's 54. And for the big finale, 6 times 10 is 60. 10 groups of 6 amazing dinosaurs, that's 60. Roar! I'm Dino the dinosaur, and I love counting. Let's do the 6 times table together with a big Dino roar. 6 times 1 is 6. Roar! 6 times 2 is 12. Roar! 6 times 3 is 18. Roar! You are awesome. Let's keep roaring. 6 times 4 is 24. Roar! 6 times 5 is 30. Roar! 6 times 6 is 36. Roar! This is Dino Might. 6 times 7 is 42. Roar! 6 times 8 is 48. Roar! 6 times 9 is 54. Roar! And the last one. 6 times 10 is 60. Roar! You did it! High five! Or should I say, high claw! Now, let's sing a song to help us remember. Are you ready to sing with me? 6, 12, 18, we're on a roll. 24, 30, learning is our goal. 36 and 42, look at you. 48, 54, let's learn some more. 60 is the last one. Wasn't that fun? The 6 times table. We are number 1. Let's sing it one more time. A little faster. 6, 12, 18. We're on a roll. 24, 30, learning is our goal. 36 and 42, look at you. 48, 54, let's learn some more. 60 is the last one. Wasn't that fun? The 6 times table, we are number 1. Hooray! You are now a master of the 6 times table. You did such a fantastic job today. Give yourself a big round of applause. Remember to practice, and soon it will be super easy. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.